Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how to achieve this side swept twist out with a side braid using Curl's Cashmere and Caviar collection for kinky textured hair. I'm going to start off by using the Curl's Cashmere and Caviar hair bath, which is formulated with active charcoal so it gives it a nice black color. It has a rich silky lather that softens my hair and allows me to detangle as I cleanse, which is always a plus for me. Next, I'm using Curl's Cashmere and Caviar hair mask, which is very thick and creamy in texture and contains cashmere and caviar extract, antioxidants, and vitamins that strengthen and smooth the hair while repairing scalp damage, and it promotes hair growth. It instantly moisturizes my hair and gives me the slip that I need to keep my hair tangle free. Now I'm going to deep condition with this hair mask under a dryer for 20 minutes and then rinse when it's cool. After towel drying my hair, it feels super soft and hydrated and nice and fluffy to the touch. Now I'm making a deep side part with a pintail comb, and I'm going to take that part all the way back to the nape of my neck. Then I'm going to clip that section out of the way. Next, I'm going to take the Curl's Cashmere and Caviar hair silk, which literally makes my hair feel like silk to the touch, and it smells absolutely divine. My hair loves this product, and it's definitely my favorite of the collection. Next, I'm taking the Curl's Cashmere and Caviar hair jelly, which is a luxurious, light-holding, creamy gel that reconstructs and strengthens the hair as it's styled. It's super slippery on the hair and allows me to twist my hair neatly without friction. After thoroughly detangling my section, I'm going to twist my hair as close to the roots as possible with moderate tension, detangling along the way to ensure a smooth result. At the ends, I like to reapply some product and then twirl the hair around my finger to secure the twist. And now I'm just going to repeat those same steps all over my head, being sure to mist my hair with some water when it starts to dry. Now I'm pretty sure that you're curious about the cashmere and the caviar ingredients in this collection, so let me tell you a little bit about it. The cashmere extract is what plays a major role in softening and strengthening the hair because the cashmere proteins actually support the hair's natural proteins. It also eliminates frizz and gives the hair more bounce while strengthening and restoring the hair. Now, the caviar extract is rich in vitamin A, D, and omega-3 fatty acids. The vitamin A helps the scalp produce a healthy sebum, which is the natural oil that our scalp produces, which keeps our hair strong, healthy, and shiny, while the vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids help prevent and reduce hair loss. All of the products in the collection are super hydrating to the hair, providing the hair with a perfect balance of moisture and protein for the perfect finish each time. Now let's tend to the other side. I'm using the hair silk to moisturize and soften the hair. Then I'm going to detangle it thoroughly. Next, I'm using the Curl's Cashmere and Caviar hair serum, which is a super buttery hair serum that adds incredible shine to the hair. I'm going to smooth that into the section evenly, and then I'm going to go in and start scalp braiding. Now, I know a lot of people have a hard time scalp braiding, but feel free to add your own flair to it by maybe adding a twist right there or something that is easy for you. Be sure to comb midway if necessary, as well as applying any product if needed. When I'm done braiding, I just secure the braid with a rubber band, then I set under a hooded dryer for an hour or so until my hair is 100% dry and cooled. When my hair is 100% dry, I apply the hair serum into my hands, melt that down a little bit, and then begin untwisting. When I untwist, I like to twirl the ends around my finger to reduce any frizzy ends. Another thing that I prefer to do is unravel from the roots because I find it to be less work and it produces less frizz. Next, I'm going to use a pick to pick at my roots for more volume, and I find this step to be more and more necessary as my hair gets longer because with length comes less volume. Now, as for the braid, you can leave it down or pin it up for a more sophisticated look, which is what I chose, and I just wrap the braid over to the other side of my head and into the twist out and just secure it with a bobby pin, and then I cascade the hair over the bobby pin to conceal it. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you did. Join the family. Don't miss out on any more tutorials because I have a lot to come. Also, be sure to go to your local Target to find the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviar collection next time you shop. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.